Everybody seems to be talking or thinking about making some money online. Who doesn't need a bit of extra at the moment? The problem is though, where do you start with all the confusion that's out there on the internet? Luckily, I've created an ebook to help people who want to have the digital skills in their back pockets to change their lifestyle. And you'll find that the ebook takes all the guesswork out of launching your very own online business, and it gives you the exact blueprint that can quickly set you on your way to growing your income online, and that is without needing any existing products or services or even any ideas about what you could do online. And you can get your completely free copy of my ebook today just by clicking the link on your screen right now. You could be like Mike, who is over 50, no previous experience online, who has completely replaced his income within 6 months, and now he's got 3 online businesses working less than 10 hours per week. So if you want to be like Mike and have the ability to earn an income from home or anywhere with an internet connection and your laptop, then click the Learn More button. Drop me your details to find out what online strategy is going to suit you and your lifestyle the best. Just picture for a second what you could be doing with your life, with your day, if you had the digital skills to earn an income working less than 10 hours a week. Surely it's going to enable you to live happier, healthier, and a much more well-balanced lifestyle, not just for you, but for your family as well. And as a special bonus today, I'll send you the ebook Designed for Beginners. You can have that, no problem. Plus, I'll also send you some free training that got me started straight to your inbox. All you gotta do is click the Learn More button to access all the info now. And remember, you're the one with the power to live life on your own terms. Thank you so much for listening, and have a great day.